Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get ZALORA online fashion shopping application in your device. You have to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone and go to App Store if you use iPhone. Then what you need to do, you need to search ZALORA on the search box, and after that you'll get this app like this. And then you can see the rating of the app 4.4 to 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is good. And 430k reviews, it means 430,000 plus, right? Something about this app. And you can see 41 megabyte size of the app, and 10 million plus people already download this app. Shop the latest trends and brands online only on ZALORA fashion shopping app. So this is retailer app. You can see there is some, you'll get some offer price. So what you need to do to get this app, simply tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.